Just to clarify why we look to find the nth term of a sequence. And here's a question. Here's the first four terms of an arithmetic sequence. We know it's arithmetic because the difference is always the same, and it's 6. So we'll have a 6 here. And 7 minus 6 is 1. So does that work? 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 6 is 13, etc., etc. So it is nth term is equal to 6n and plus 1. And I check that. Let's have n equal 2. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 1, 13 is the second term. Now, if you're given this is why we do this. This formula for the nth term will define the sequence. So although we've used the sequence to find the formula for the nth, we can now write down n equals 1, 2, 3. And if when n is 1, that's the first term. 6 times 1 plus 1 is 7. When n is 2, it's 13. When n is 3, 19, 25. So we have recreated the sequence using this nth term. So there's a little bit of back and forth here. If someone tells me what the nth term is, I can tell you what the sequence is. If someone tells me what the sequence is, I can work out what the nth term is. What else can we do? Well, we don't have to just do the 1, 2, 3, 4 in order. We can just say, let's let n equal 50. So we know that the 50th term, we put 50 as n. 6 times 50 is 300 plus 1. 301. I don't have to write out this whole boring sequence. I know it's 301. I can also tell you that, answer the question, is 58 a term in the sequence? Well, again, use this formula. If 58 is in the sequence, then 58 is going to equal 6n plus 1 for some n. And that n will have to be an integer. Don't know what it is, so let's see what it might be. We take away 1 from both sides, divide by 6. n is 9.5. So n is not an integer. There is no integer term for which 6n plus 1 is equal to 58. It is not a term in the sequence. So n is not an integer, 58 is not in the sequence. So hope that clears that up a little bit. The formula can give us the sequence can give us the formula. We can pick out any term we want. We can pick out 1 to 4, but we can pick out the 50th if we want. And we can tell if a number is in the sequence by setting the formula to the number and then seeing if there is an integer which solves this. If, for example, n had been 52, then we'd know the 52nd term was 58, but it ain't. I hope that makes life a little bit clearer for you.